How to find your transaction history of rewards from video on your TikTok account. Hello guys, today I will show you and teach you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in this video. So let's start. First you will just go to your TikTok, then on your TikTok open it, then go to profile here and open your profile, and then go to this three line at the top of the screen. Then you go to the bottom of the screen and click on settings and device. After this, go to balance, then you wait a little, then you go here on this icon, then you will click, and then you will click all types, then you will change it to rewards from videos. And that's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.